A computer is an electronic device that is designed to receive, process, and store data in order to perform various tasks such as calculation, data manipulation, information retrieval, communication, and more. It consists of hardware components including a central processing unit, CPU, memory, storage devices, input and output devices, and software programs that run on the hardware to enable the computer to perform specific functions. Computers come in various forms, including desktop computers, laptops, tablets, smartphones, servers, and embedded systems in other devices such as appliances, vehicles, and wearable devices. They can run different operating systems such as Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, and mobile operating systems like iOS and Android. Computers have become an integral part of modern society and are used in a wide range of applications, including business, education, research, entertainment, communication, healthcare, transportation, and many other areas. They have revolutionized the way we work, communicate, and live, greatly impacting various aspects of human life. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on such sessions.